Hi, welcome to ɪNᴛᴇRɪᴏR. My name is Ses. I'm so happy that you joined me here today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so that you can be a part of this community where we talk about enhancing your style in your home interiors, travels, and anything and everything in between, while keeping your unique personality. So let's go! My weekend to-do list is a blend of chores and opportunities. Our first stop is conquering those tasks that have been lingering all week, which includes tackling various chores like folding laundry, tidying up, watering plants, decanting after grocery shopping, emptying the dishwasher, dusting, and even fluffing the living area furnitures. Remember that efficient planning is key. Today, we'll explore the art of creating a haven for relaxation for the weekend and the coming week ahead. Transform your upcoming weekend into a serene and highly productive retreat within the comfort of your own home. Embrace a tranquil haven that rejuvenates your mind, body, and spirit, while maximizing your accomplishments. Allowing yourself with these privileges begins with tuning in to the present moment. Embrace mindfulness as a path to tranquility. Whether it's through meditation, gentle yoga, or simply sipping a cup of tea. Mindfulness anchors you to the here and now. Engage in creative pursuits that transport you to a world of imagination and expression. Painting, crafting, or writing, these creative escapes offer a gateway to self-discovery and a break from the routine. A perfect recipe for weekend serenity and calm. Remember, unwinding is a gift you give yourself. So let's step into a world of calm and let the serenity begin. I decant them into elegant containers, creating a visually pleasing and organized space. Decanting is more than just transferring contents. It's an act of presenting life's essentials with grace and intention. By embracing the elegance of presentation, you elevate your daily rituals and create a visual symphony in your surroundings. Beyond aesthetics, decanting serves a practical purpose, preserving freshness and enhancing flavors. Airtight seal seals and UV protection offered by quality glass containers help maintain the potency of your ingredients, ensuring culinary delight with every use. Imagine stepping into a pantry where every container tells a story, where chaos is replaced with calm. A well-organized pantry or cupboard not only streamlines your cooking process, but also offers a tranquil sanctuary for your mind to unwind. Decanting isn't limited to the kitchen. It extends to the bathroom, your vanity, even the laundry room. Pouring fine spirits or fragrances from exquisite decanters transforms routine moments into luxurious experiences, reminding us to savor life's finer nuances. Remember that every pour is an invitation to embrace the art of living beautifully. Whether it's enhancing flavors, beautifying your space, or simply finding joy in the everyday, decanting offers a glimpse into a world where aesthetics and functionality dance in harmony. Wrap up your tranquil weekend by embracing a moment of gratitude. Reflect on the moments of serenity, the progress you've made, and the joy you've experienced. As you prepare for rest, let go of any lingering worries and allow yourself to drift into a peaceful slumber, ready to greet the week ahead with renewed focus and a calm heart. Until the next one, keep pouring elegance into every aspect of your life, creating a recipe for a week of serenity. Thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Do watch out for the next video where I share a new project in the condo. I can't wait. In the meantime, please check out my other videos on interior design, travels, and lifestyle. Again, this is Cez, and remember, style is what you make or break. Bye!